Picture daw muna. Wala na picture daw. Picture daw muna. Ay, kunin muna natin yung ano. So, madam, dito si madam. Tinulungan mo si madam, gusto nito. Ayan. Hanggang sa side ayun. Picture sila. Kasama ba kami, sir? Gentlemen, the Imelda Papin ng UAE. Ay, oh. Nora Manlique. Ay, founder and director of Hillsong Chorale, founding member and Piero of the Filipino Social Club licensed by the government under Community Development Authority.